So I was digging through my file cabinet and came across these old auto receipts from the mid to late 90s. And this one here is for take the motor apart, replace number 4 piston and the rod bearings on the other 3. And a fan and a radiator. But there's the date there, 96. $29.99 for a radiator. And then you got, this was the parts. Assume engine kit's probably a gasket kit. $145.40 for parts. And then that's what he did. That's what they charged for labor. And then a fan. I'm pretty sure it was electric. $32 for a fan. Anyways, $437. That's wild. Here, we got one from 98. Brake shoes, $12. Here we got one from 98. Alternator was $65. This one's a battery from 99. $29.96. Pretty wild. All right, y'all take care.